Oh yeah, so that means we gotta hold this part and use a wrench. What size is that? 3/4. And a couple of things I wanted to talk about again on the exhaust. As you can see when you're inspecting, you can see where this one had blow by. Got it off and can look at it even more. There's another bad crack right here. So this is probably one of the worst ones I've seen. All right, so there you have it.
Eternity later.
Here is the sun visor or sunroof shade. Is that to kind of give even pressure and you're not gouging in with your fingers, and nice and tight, not all floppy like it was before. Arcantera!